In the next segment, we will see a sample of a second evolve. The evolve process is continuous and not necessarily a final stop. Revisiting your project management success strategy will help you mature your project portfolio management processes and practices. Here is an example of 3 key goals you might set to expand your organizational project management with Microsoft 365. First, add a project request governance process so your senior executives can approve and start the right projects at the right time. Second, deploy resource utilization tracking so senior executives and project managers can make the best use of their resources. Third, configure additional templates for different types of processes to help project managers widen the scope of project management. In this Evolve example, the first goal is project request governance, for which you have the Request app in BrightWork 365. Here, project sponsors can find all project requests that have been logged in the system. This is a sample of an original project request with a form for the idea details. Our ready-to-use template that you can also configure includes description, target customer, need, source of the idea, and any associated documents. The second tab has project details, which contains any known details governing the resulting project, such as which portfolio might this project belong to, or who is the nominated project manager. If you choose to have an approvals process, the request goes through an approval workflow that you can easily configure. In this case, there are 4 stages, from draft to accepted to reviewed to approved. An approvals coordinator can either manually set the request stages to move from draft to accepted or accepted to reviewed, or the process can be set to flow in a fully automated fashion using Power Automate. Finally, you will have all the history of the actual request itself. The Request app in BrightWork 365 can be easily configured and used by anybody in your organization with a free license to log a request. The app enables you to standardize the way your team members submit new project requests, and approvers get notified in time to review and accept the right projects. Considering the second Evolve goal in this example, once project requests start to come in, you may need to look at resource utilization across the project portfolio. Here is a sample of a BrightWork 365 resource utilization report. Red indicates that a team member is over-allocated. Gray means they are in a safe zone. Green indicates that they are allocated at 100%. Project managers can use this report to best allocate their resources to the approved projects. You can of course configure these reports. For example, change the time frame or the scope using the filters in Power BI. For the third Evolve goal, templates are the building blocks of your project management solution. In BrightWork 365, your project templates are managed in the Templates area. You have the option to use one of the built-in templates or create a template from an existing project. When projects are created from templates, you have the option to copy over the content from stages, deliverables, tasks, issues, risks, and project settings. This is a great way to give your project colleagues a head start creating projects using best practice templates from your organization. You can also configure templates and customize them to suit your specific business processes for bespoke functions such as new product introduction. Applying these templates helps you standardize processes and thereby break silos across functions. In the next segment, you will see how BrightWork 365 leverages the Microsoft 365 ecosystem to achieve your project management goals from start through Evolve.